Good morning, dear students. Students, today after completing exercise 5.5, we will start addition of fractions for exercise 5.6. Here students, I have divided this topic into two parts, one for like fraction and second for unlike fractions. Students, as you know, like fractions means when denominators are same. I have taken here one example, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Here you can see both denominators are same. When students denominator are same, what you will do? You will take LCM and LCM will be same. Okay student, so need not to do too much calculation. Now 2 plus 1 as it is will come. Now 2 plus 1 3 and downside 3 it will be 1. Students, for unlike fractions, in unlike fractions students, denominator are different. Now students, in this example 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 3 is given. It means students 2 and 3 denominators are different. When you will take LCM it will be 6. Now students, this 6 divided by 2 it will be 3. Now 3 3s are 9. Then 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So students, it will be 19 upon 6. So like this students, in unlike fractions we need to take LCM because of different denominator, and in unlike fraction LCM will be same. Now students, exercise 5.6 we will start here, and question number 1, this is add the following. Now students, question number 1, part 1 is 11 upon 17 plus 40 upon 17. Here students, both denominators are same. It means this is like fraction. So LCM will be 17 and upside same numbers 11 plus 40 will come. Students, when you will add 11 and 40, it will be 51 upon 17. And as you know, in 17 table, 51 is coming 3 times. So 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. So third 3 is your answer. Now students, question number 2, find the missing. Now students, question number 2 is find the missing. Here part 1, 2 upon 19 plus dash upon 19 plus 7 upon 19 is equals to 14 upon 19 is given. Students, you know, there are two parts. One is LHS left hand side and second is RHS right hand side. So that said students, 14 upon 19 is given. It means downside 19, 19, 19, then there also 19, but upside 2, then dash, then 7 is equals to 14. It means students, the sum of 2, then this dash, then 7 will be 14. So students, when 14 will come, 7 plus 2 it is 9, and if you will add 5 in 9 it will be 14. So in this type of question students, you are to balance left hand side and right hand side because equal to sign is given. So when you will add 7 plus 5, this is 12, plus 2 it will be 14. Okay students, now question number 3 students. Now students, question number 3, find and express as mixed fraction. First of all, we are to find means we are to solve given fractions like 7 upon 15 plus 1, 4 upon 15 plus 8 upon 15. First of all students, I will convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. 15 ones are 15, then plus 4 it will be 19 upon 15 plus 8 upon 15. Now students, here 7 upon 15, 19 upon 15, 8 upon 15. All are having denominator same. So the LCM will be 15 and upside as it is 17, then 19, then 8 will come. Students, when you will add 7, 19 and 8, it will be 34 upon 15. This is your answer students, but they said express in mixed fraction. So we will express 34 upon 15 in mixed fraction. And you know, for the mixed fraction what we will do, we will divide this 34 by 15. So 34 divided by 15, 15 2s are 30, then what is remainder? 4 is remainder. Student, this you can do in rough column. Now what is your answer? This 2 will come as whole number. This 4 remainder will come upside as a numerator, and this 15 will come downside. And this will be your answer, 2 4 upon 15. Now students, question number 4 again, find the sum. Now students, question number 4, this is find the sum 7 1 upon 3 and 4 5 upon 12 given in the mixed fraction. So first of all, we will convert into proper fractions. 7 3s are 21, then 22 upon 3 plus 12 4s are 48 plus 5, it will be 53. 53 upon 12. Now students, denominators are different. So you will take LCM, and this LCM will be 12. Now 1 fraction I will take, and I will make denominator same. So first of all, I will take 22 upon 3, and this 3 I will multiply by 4. Now students, 22 upon 3 I have multiplied by 4. Now 22 4s are 88, then 3 4s are 12, and here 53 upon 12, already downside 12 is given, so I have multiplied with 1. So 53 upon 12 will come as it is. Now we are having 88 upon 12 and 53 upon 12, both are having same denominator. So LCM will be 12, then 88 plus 53 will come as it is. When you will add 88 and 53, you will get students 141 upon 12. Now students, you can see here numerator is greater than denominator. So this denominator means 12 can divide 141 easily. Students, when you will divide, you will get 11 9 upon 12. I have divide here, and you know the division, so you can do in rough column, and you can get 11 9 upon 12. Now students, again you can convert this in simplest form, because 9 and 12 both are coming in same table. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So your answer will be 11 3 upon 4. 11 3 upon 4 will be your answer. Now students, question number 5. Now students, question number 5 again, add part 1 1 7 upon 12 plus 2 5 upon 16 are given in mixed fraction. So first of all, I will convert into normal fraction, that is 12 1s are 12 plus 7 19 upon 12 plus 16 2s are 32, then plus 5 37 upon 12. Now denominators are different, so the LCM of 12 and 16 will be 48. So students, again I will take 1 fraction, and I will make denominator 48. So as you know students, 12 4s are 48, then 19 4s are 76. Now 37 upon 16, when you will multiply by 3 upside and downside, you will get downside 48, because 16 3s are 48, and upside what will come students? 111, because 37 3s are 111. Now this is 76 upon 48, 111 upon 48. So 76 plus 111 upon 48 will come, because LCM will be same, because denominators are same. So 76 plus 111 will come same. When you will add students this, then it will be 187 upon 48. Now again students, what you will do? You will do the division. 187 you will divide by 48. When you will divide by a rough column, then students you will get 43 upon 48. Students, you can do division, because you know division very well. So that's why I am writing here answer directly. You can do division, you can get your answer in mixed fraction. Now students, question number 6. This is word problem.